You enter the world as wandering character. From there, you're free to explore.
This is Soul Virtues, an original adventure game that involves storytelling, exploration, puzzles, and turn-based combat.
We didn't want players to just complete the level. We want them to feel like they're going on an adventure, explore environment, collecting important items, discovering secrets, and meet NPC who reveal more about the world and story. The challenge was bringing all of the systems together, not just movement and combat, but puzzle, inventory, skill, enemy, progression, sound, UI, and story.
But it's not just walking until you reach the end. On the way, you will see monster, enemy, and puzzle blocking the progress. You have to understand the environment and figure out what to do next. The environment itself is the part of the challenge. You might have to push, pull, or interact with the object to understand it and move forward. We were inspired by Limbo for the environmental design, American Online 4 for the combat style, and while creating our own story, character design, and map design.
What made this project possible was what we learned at school. Through our classes and projects, we learned programming, problem solving, teamwork, and how to turn an idea into something real. We wanted to take those skills beyond the classroom and use them to create our own game, Soul Virtues.